Welcome to LegittMate AI, your trusted partner for customer support and converting website visitors into meaningful leads. Visit the LegittMate AI website and click on Get Started to begin. Fill in the details to train your chatbot. Enter your website URL and select the web links you want it to learn from. You can integrate it with your Amazon S3 and Google Drive to train on files stored in these accounts. There are even more ways to train your chatbot. You can upload external files, add raw text, or create custom Q&A pairs. As you add this information, you can see a live preview of your chatbot being built on the right side of your screen. Now, select names for your AI agents and add your human agents that are your team members who can step in when needed. Click Next and enter details about your chatbot, including its name, your organization's name, and the welcome message. Customize its color theme, text color, and upload an icon to match your brand. You can also choose the AI model that powers your chatbot. If you want to remove message limits, simply add your own API key. Click Build Chatbot and sign up with your details. Your chatbot is now ready, and you'll be logged into your account. From here, you can build more chatbots for other websites or pages by clicking on Build Your Chatbot. Now, let's explore the chatbot we just created. This is your dashboard, where you can track website and chatbot analytics. You can copy the code to add the chatbot to your website and even test your chatbot by chatting with it right here. On the left, you have several options. Modify data sources to update the chatbot's training, configure AI and human agents, access LegittMate CRM, where all leads generated by your chatbot are stored, monitor chatbot usage and functionality limits, manage general settings. Now let's go to the Active Users tab. Here, you can see live visitors on your website. You can watch your chatbot interact with them and see which conversations are getting hot. If needed, you can even jump into a chat and talk to the visitor directly. You can also track visitor activity, see where they are coming from, and apply filters to focus on the most relevant leads. While you're away, your chatbot keeps working, capturing leads 24/7. You can find all those leads stored in LegittMate CRM. Get started with LegittMate AI and turn every visitor into a valuable customer. Sign up today.